Hello, what's up, guys? Today I share with you a different kind of thermal imager camera. Okay, this one is beside SH7. This is the resolution and thermal imager camera, 20,000 count touch screen digital multimeter, twin one IR camera for macro lenses repair PCB. Okay, already 52 sold out and save 177 US dollar, and this is the actual price. This is $300, and this is the discount price. Okay, if you want to buy this product, please check description. And this is the color one, and this is the another color one. This price 145 US dollar. This is the product details. This is the pictures. So if you want to buy this product, please check video description. So thank you so much, and this is the free shipping from United States. Okay, fast delivery. If you want to buy this product, please check video description. Best thermal imager camera and IR camera for macro lens repair. Okay, so thank you so much. Please check description. You can buy this from Amazon. Okay, thank you. Please check description.